Okay, so Buddha's word. Buddha's word. Buddha's word. So, यसको मान्ने चाहिँ, so I will explain you the meaning of this verse. So, most of us, I mean the Buddhist people, they don't really understand what Buddhism is. So they make water offering and water lamp offering, but beyond that, we don't really understand what Buddhism is. So this is what all Buddhism is about. So Buddha said, bhikshus and scholars. Bhikshus, fully ordained monks. Bhikshus, fully ordained monks and scholars. So what he is telling us to do is, he says, examine my word. Examine my word. First, examine what I am saying. Meaning, don't follow me blindly. अन्धविश्वास नगर्नु. पहिला बुझ्नु, धर्म बुझ्नु अनि मात्रै अपनाउनु. So understand what Buddhism is. Don't follow Buddhism blindly. अन्धविश्वास नगर्नु भन्नु हुँदैछ. So कसरी जाँच्नु पर्छ? How should we examine Buddha's word? How should we examine Buddha's word is, when you go to buy gold, how do you check whether it's genuine gold or not? How do you know? You burn it, and gold melts faster than iron, right? And then what else should we do? Cut. It's easier to cut gold. It's much easier to cut gold than iron, right? And then what should we do? And then what should we do? Then rub. See if it is polished. If you rub it, it will show its real color inside. So Buddha says, examine my word the way you examine gold when you go to buy gold. How can we check whether a metal is gold or not? By cutting, by burning it, and by rubbing. If it is polished, the polish will go away and it will expose itself, right? So this is what Buddha is saying. So basically, don't follow blindly. अन्धविश्वास नगर्नु. So अन्धविश्वास नगर्नुको लागि के गरेको हुनुपर्छ भन्दाखेरि पहिला पुस्तक पढ्नु सिक्नु पर्छ. अब पढ्न सक्ने भयो, त्यो भित्र के चाहिँ लेखिएको छ त्यो बुझ्नु पर्छ भन्नुभएको. बुझेर चाहिँ यो सही लाग्यो भने चाहिँ त्यो पालन गर्नुपर्छ, त्यो अनुसरण गर्नुपर्छ. जसरी पुस्तकमा लेखेको छ त्यसरी नै गर्नुपर्छ भन्नुभएको. Did you understand? So Buddhism is also called social science. It's very logical. He says, follow me if you think I'm on my right path. But basically, don't follow me blindly. अन्धविश्वास नगर्नु भनेर चाहिँ बुद्धले भन्नुभएको हो. So gelong datang khenam ki sekche darve sersindu lekpar takla nayi ka lang par chai gulchir min gelong dadang kenam ki sekche darwe sershindu lepar takla nai ka lang par chai gulchir min